A mother bird sits in her nest, gently caring for her little chicks. Suddenly, a snake attacks and bites. Hirsch gives her life trying to protect them. The snake moves toward the helpless chicks. But just then, a kitten shows up and bravely fights it off. One of the chicks gets bitten and slowly passes away as the kitten stays by its side. The next morning, the kitten brings fish and lovingly feeds the remaining chicks, one by one. Later, a crocodile comes from the river, but the kitten stands tall and protects the nest again. Time passes, and the chicks grow up and fly away into the sky. The kitten watches them with a soft smile. Because love doesn't end, it just finds new ways to live on.